नमस्कार, it's Abhishek. Abhita Saundarya Lahari. Saundarya Lahari, if I dare to translate this one, so it's like a waves of beauty. Waves of beauty, Saundarya Lahari. It's a famous scripture revealed by great Bhagavad Pad Adi Shankaracharya. This Saundarya Lahari is not an ordinary grantha. It's a combination of philosophy, it's a combination of mysticism, it's a combination of devotion, and it praises the beauty of goddess Tripura Sundari or Sakti or the mother. Broadly, it is divided into two parts. The first part is called Anand Lahari. It has 41 verses. Anand Lahari, like a wave of bliss, and the remaining part, 59 verses, is called Saundarya Lahari. But the Granth in totality is considered as Saundarya Lahari, one of the greatest scripture of Sanatan Parampara. So in this series, just going verse by verse with my understanding, very limited, very little. It's like an effort to understand this great wisdom. Let's come in the very first verse. शिवशक्त्या युक्तो यदि भवति सक्तः प्रभवतुम् न चेदेवं देवो न खलु कुशलः अस्पन्दितुमपि अतस्त्वामाराध्यं हरिहर विरिञ्चादिभिरपि प्रणमतुम् अस्तोतुं वा कथनं कृतपुण्यः प्रभवति. In this very first verse, Adi Shankara is saying, if Shiva is united with Shakti, then only he is capable of creation. Without her, without Shakti, even the great God, Maheshwar, Shiva, cannot move or act. He becomes like a sub. Hence you, the mother, the one who is worshipped by Hari, Arthat Vishnu, Har, Arthat Shiva, and Virinchi, Arthat Brahma, can only be praised or approached by those who have accumulated virtuous deeds. In Hindi, यदि शिव शक्ति के साथ संयुक्त होते हैं तो वे सृजन करने में समक्ष होते हैं. यदि ऐसा नहीं है तो यह शिव अर्थात परम शिव यहां तक कि कंपन करने में भी असमर्थ है. इसलिए आपको हरि अर्थात विष्णु, हर अर्थात शिव और विरिंची अर्थात ब्रह्मा जैसे देवताओं द्वारा भी पूजनीय माना गया है. जो पुण्य किए बिना आपको प्रणाम या स्तुति करने का प्रयास करेगा वह कैसे सक्षम हो सकता. तो द ग्रेट गुरु Adi Shankar is establishing here the authority, the superiority of the Shakti in the very first verse of this great Grantha. Very beautifully. He said, like, if there is no Shakti in Shiva, then Shiva is like a Sava. In the next verse, he is coming further. Tanirvanan pasam srini mapi dadhanam prinayanam ramamam trailokyam hasiyati param vigna vidhayam havi veer hiranena lalit vadhudam ramaniyam नतेयः शारदा ससधर कलानाम सहचराया. In the second verse, he is explaining, Adi Shankar is explaining, see who hold the bow of sugar cane, 5 arrows of flowers, a noose and a goad. See who has 3 eyes and bestows laughter upon the 3 worlds while destroying the obstacles. See the beautiful one who dances joyfully and resembles Goddess Saraswati in wisdom, grant peace and serene as the moon's light to those who bow before her. In Hindi, जो देवी अपने 3 नेत्रों से सुसज्जित हैं और धनुष, बाण, पास और अंकुश धारण करती है, वह पूरे त्रिलोकी को खिलखिलाते हुए विघ्नों का नाश करती। वह रमणीय स्वरूप वाली देवी, जिन्हें सरस्वती की तरह ज्ञानी माना जाता है, उनकी वंदना करने वालों को वह चंद्रमा की किरणों के समान शांति प्रदान करती। Adi is talking about moon here, how moon is nurturing anyone in front of moon. The goddess is doing same thing in the similar fashion. That is the beauty of bliss. That is the wave of bliss coming from the devotion only. In the third verse, great Guru Adi Shankar is coming further. Avidya namant asmir mihi vidvip nagari जडानां चैतन्यास्तवका मकरंद श्रुति जरी दरिद्रानां चिंतामणि गुणनिका जन्म जलि जलधौ निमग्नां द्रष्टामु रिपुवराहस्या भवति. Now he is explaining about the great mother, the goddess. She is the sun that dispels the darkness of ignorance. She is the stream of nectar that flows as the blossom of consciousness for ignorant. She is the wish fulfilling gem for the poor and needy. She is the tusk of Vishnu's Varah incarnation, rescuing those submerged in the ocean of birth and death. जो अज्ञान का नाश करने वाली, जो अज्ञान का अंधकार मिटाने के लिए सूर्य के समान है, जो मूर्खों के लिए चेतना के मकरंद अर्थात अमृत की धारा प्रवाहित करती है, जो दरिद्रों के लिए चिंतामणि अर्थात मनोकामनाओं को पूर्ण करने वाली मणि के रूप में है, जो जन्म और मृत्यु के सागर में डूबे हुए प्राणियों को श्री हरि के 12 अवतार की तरह रक्षा करते. Now philosophy is coming into the play. How mother is blessing the liberation, and the great Adi Shankar use the beautiful alankar here with the Baraha avatar of Mahavishnu. Now, in the fourth verse, he is revealing more. त्वदन्यः पाणिभ्याम भयवरदो दैवतगणः त्वमेकानैवासि प्रकटिता वरो अभीतयादया भयायात्रान्तुं दातुं फलमपि च वाचाङ्गसमधिकम् शरण्ये लोकानां तव हि चरणावेव निपुणौ. Other deity, the other deities may grant boons with one hand and offer protection with the other. But you, the great mother alone, O compassionate one, हे शरणागत वत्सले, you are known to bestow both fearlessness and boon with the both hands, to protect from the fear and to grant rewards beyond what is desired. What is the desire for devotee? Your feet alone, O refuge of all, are the ultimate shelter for the world. अन्य सभी देवता एक हाथ से अभय और दूसरे हाथ से वरदान देते हैं, परंतु हे शरणागत वत्सले, केवल तुम ही हो जो दोनों हाथों से अभय और वरदान देती, भय से रक्षा करने के लिए और इच्छाओं से अधिक फल प्रदान करने के लिए तुम्हारे चरण ही समस्त लोगों के लिए श्रेष्ठ आश्रय है. That is the beauty of this great scripture. The Anand, the bliss is flowing in this wave that is called the wave of bliss, Anand Lahar. In the fifth slok, Adi Shankar, Bhagavan Adi Shankar is coming. He who is the incarnation of Lord Shiva himself. Harisa Twamaradhya Pranata Jan Saubhagya Jananim Puranari Bhutva Puraripumapi Choba Manayata Smaro Api Tvam Natva Ratinayana Lehena Bapusa Muninam Payatyantaha Prabhavati Himo Hayata Mahata. Great Bhagavad Pad Bhagavan Adi Shankar is explaining, Lord Vishnu worshipped you, and the mother who grants good fortune to those who seek refuge in you, and by becoming a woman, he was able to bewonder even the enemy of Tripura, the enemy of Shiva. He's talking about the Mohani, avatar of Mahavishnu. Even Kam, the Kamadev, the god of love, after worshipping you only, attains a body so attractive that even Rati's eyes long to behold it. And with that form, he can enchant the mind of even great sages. भगवान विष्णु ने तुम्हारी पूजा की, जो शरणागत भक्तों को सौभाग्य देने वाली माता हो, और वे नारी का रूप धारण कर त्रिपुरारी अर्थात शिव को भी मोह में डाल सके. कामदेव ने भी तुम्हारी पूजा कर ऐसा रूप पाया जिसे रति के नेत्र भी चूमना चाहे, और उसी से वे महान ऋषियों तक के मनों को भी मोह में डाल सकते हैं. That is the bliss, that is the beauty of great mother by Adi Shankar, Bhagwan Adi Shankar. Thank you very much. Jai Gurudev. Har Har Mahadev. Har Har Mahadev. करेंगे।